Welcome back to Daytime Live. On Saturday, the news broke that reggae singer, artist, and musician, friend, and colleague Denver Feluke Smith lost his battle with colon cancer. Well, I don't know. Feluke is like what a brother is. Even just watching him perform is like a blessing. It's like you're being given a gift, you know. I mean, the amount of light that him shine with him life is unbelievable. And like when I heard, I couldn't believe it. I was shocked. I have to take a a while to regain my balance because I know how much more he wanted to do and how much more he had to offer. And it's just
and he was really fighting. He was really somebody that really valued life in a certain way and valued giving of his talent and
and
his
of
gift
himself.
of himself. He was all about, working with, homeless youth and, young orphans, boys who are going through certain things. He was always giving of his time in church and teaching persons how to harmonize and, helping. Whenever I called him about an issue I had, he would always come running, whatever he had to do. He really stepped up for me in a lot of you guys don't know this, in a certain kind of way. As a woman in Jamaica, sometimes the world, like the mechanic and the this, can be really scary, as a woman. And you kind of need a soldier or a man to have your back in a certain way. And when you're unmarried, you need help in a certain way. And every time he was always there. So
yeah, man. Is one of those people that you can count on, you know. But I mean, he did shine a lot of light with his life, and that is what I'm sure that he would prefer if we focused on.
And I just want to say though, when he was fortunate enough to raise funds and everything to go to Mexico to have treatment. But then as soon as he came back, his next focus and goal was actually to help somebody else.
Get that same level of treatment.
He wasn't like, okay, I'm good now. So as soon as he came back, the talk was, how can he help somebody else?
Yeah.
And
that's his only
he was a good one,
life. Yeah, man. He is. He is.
So Feluke visited us September 2018, and he performed for us. Let's take a little look.
Sweetest part of a fall is getting up. So don't you ever stay down. Never ever. We fall down, but we get up. We fall down, we get up. We fall down, but we get up. For a saint is just a sinner who fell down and got up. We fall down, we get up. We fall down, we get up. We fall down, we get up, Lord, Lord, Lord. For a sin is just a sinner who fell down and got up. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Our Father who art in Zion, please hear our cry. I woke up with a smile on my face, and a song was there in my mind. You keep us safe and sound. That's when I realized that I've got to keep my song alive. We've got to keep our souls alive. We've got to keep our souls alive. We've got to keep our souls alive. we're singing. Oh gosh, yes, we're singing, Lord. See the congregation dancing and singing, Lord. We're singing. Oh gosh, yes, we're singing, Lord, 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 Lord. See the congregation dancing, playing and singing, Lord, Lord, Lord. I've got to keep my soul alive. We've got to keep our souls alive. And if you start a revolution, keep your souls alive. If you want to start this revolution, keep your souls alive. And the revolution starts November 24th. We're helping someone else. See? And if you want to start this revolution, we've got to stop this confusion. And if you want to start this revolution, we've got to stop this confusion. Now I'm speaking with the voice of the people, looking through the eyes of we government. Them never take we serious, cause we can never make up our minds. I'm speaking with the voice of the teachers, looking through the eyes of the students. It seems like we could never learn, how we never really wait our turn. You want to start a revolution. You got to stop this confusion. And if you want to start this revolution, you got to stop this confusion. Now, we must get up, stand up. That no mean we must pin up and strap up. Everybody have to live, yes, them have a right. And everybody want to talk without to start a fight. Let us show some love, no matter race, color or creed. Everybody deserve a decent meal. And I don't really care how you feel. Let's build this world so it can stand on its feet. You have to start a revolution. We've got to stop this confusion, Lord. And if you want to start this revolution, we've got to stop this confusion.
Yeah. Yes. Feluke, do your thing. I like watching perform on the boy, bad.
Yeah.
Bad performer, bad entertainer. What stick with me when I watch a performance there a while ago is it's funny, you know, because I mean 2020 there's been a lot of losses, you know. But like there's a song that he did, I think it was in the middle, I think it was the third song that he did when he said we've got to keep our souls alive. And it's a profound statement because I don't really believe in that, you know. I believe that there are energies that are around long after you pass and you are still there and you still have things to contribute even after you're gone. And that is really what it is all about. That's really what you're doing here. At the end of the day, you have to keep your soul alive, and that is the most important thing. I mean, this is just a shell. You know,
Yeah.
this is not who you are, this is not what you are. You know, what you are is far greater than that, and you're part of a collective. And I think he understood that, and you could have seen it in the music. And,
Yeah.
you know,
And he was
it's an
super
amazing
talented.
thing.
He was even more
Yeah,
talented
bad,
than he got credit for, than we even know. He bad. For me to say that, he was amazing. He was really very talented. He was a strong-willed young man, too.
Yeah, you know,
Very opinionated.
I really like the was thing.
And, you know.
Yeah, I mean, really like the was thing,
Well,
you know.
yeah.
You know, I understand that certain parts and certain physical aspects aren't there anymore, but to me, it's man.
But the truth is, I'm gonna put a little picture of Denver on my altar still, and because now he's with the ancestors, and I'm a fight for it in a certain way.
Yeah,
So
right beside Chadwick on
I'm a
the
warrior
on the
for we
others, you
now.
know, 'cause
So I
I never
appreciate
get a
that.
chance to talk about that neither. That one that touched me too.
Yeah.
But it's one of those things. Walk good Feluke, fly with the angels. You don't know. Maximum,
you, man.
maximum respect. Everybody, please, please, please remember to check on your loved ones, especially now, and support as a community. Thank you very much for tuning in. We will be back on Friday with much more buzz, chat, vibe, and mix. Stay safe, wash your hands, mask up, keep a distance, or just stay inside as much as possible. Corona still about, you know what I mean? But at the same time, be one with your brother and your sister, you know? You see it,
Get
Michelle?
up,
Yeah.
we
Hold it.
fall down.
Yeah.
We get up, we fall down, but we get up. For a saint is just a sinner who fell down and got up. We fall down, we get up.